Boston police just apprehended one person with a firearm. Just build a scooter. Looking for the second person now. Allegedly, the second individual took off through this field. The officers on the other side checking around for him now.
Ladder 11, a cardiac disorder, 383 Chestnut Hill Avenue, Brighton. Ladder 11, a cardiac disorder, 383 Chestnut
allegedly there was an
Hill
individual
Avenue,
that jumped off the scooter. Boston police gave chase. He's still actually checking around, so. It's kind of dark over here, too. So it looks like they got one person in custody, looking for the second individual. Actively looking. And I seen an all-black van with no lettering on it. I'm not sure if that's Boston, that's another agency, but they're around here too. With like I said, not too sure exactly what transpired. We know they dumped the scooter around the corner and gave chase. Boston police gave chase, apprehended one suspect, looking for another suspect. So that's what we have so far. All right, so this area's been pretty active in the last couple of hours. You know, they having a lot of stuff over here in Tarverdale going on. Like I said, not too sure exactly what all transpired. Boston police are still actively looking for, I think, a possible second suspect. Like I said, it's kind of hard to put it all together because it happened so quick. So they're kind of combing out this area and see if they can find out what they find. Because somebody's somewhere. They're still combing out the area. So they're all over the place. So just gotta kind of bear with them. They're all over there. Like I said, I'm not too sure, but the person is in this area between here and the field, so they're they keep an eye out.
85 Harold Street inside Horatio Park. Then is a sexual assault in progress, but it's a third party saying that she sees a male dragging a female by the arm. That big rock.
Yes.
someone else that can clear up our
Alright, so Boston Police are gonna comb out this area. If they come up with something, they may come up with something.
Bravo single 55, I have it. I'll send it down. Is there someone else calling in?
Can I get the Charlie 983 to 9?
Charlie 9.
A lot of stuff going on in the city on this Monday. I'm telling you, so much stuff you can't keep track of all of
Charlie
it.
113.
Take a walk down here and see what they have. Allegedly, this is where the foot chase started. So this is where I started down here. So
From this location back to B3, starting mileage 80071.8.
they got one juvenile suspect in custody.
1946.
This whole area is saturated with police officers. So just about every car you see is a police officer driving.
Charlie K1, can you get a hard soda 91 Nightingale?
Charlie base.
I'm sorry, go again with that last.
Are they looking for a hard toe? 91 Nightingale.
Okay, on the way.
Thank you.
That's where he ditched the scooter right there. You guys can see it. It's like, it's kind of dark over there, so you probably can't see it. The scooter's like right there where they're standing. So, one suspect went one way, one went the other way. The one that went to the right got caught. The one that went to the left made a few blocks down. I'm not sure if they apprehended him or not, but I think they know who he is. Got a pretty good description on him. So Boston police are over here trying to get some of these guns off the streets. What's happening, buddy? Keeping you busy, eh? You got it. So that's the, you guys can see it. The scooter's like right in there. So red scooter.
434.
I'm off with 2 up on top of the big rock. Okay.
Another officer at the far end down there with the flashlight.
434, I have it. You're off with them at the big rock there. Who else is calling it?
455, I'm here.
Right here. Fox 201, can you log us off so we can log back in to NBC 6 or so?
Alright guys, that's pretty much what's going on. We got police officers over here too. I hope you can see it. In the far back over there. Alright. Just gonna head back out of here. They have recovered the scooter. One person in custody. I believe they're actively looking for the second suspect. They're checking all throughout these areas over here as well. As you see the lights that are shining up on the building there.
Charlie 113, Adam Robert.
That cruiser's in the back over there. See the blue lights. The police officers all over this area here.
Bravo 455. 455.
Anyone else coming in here can disregard. It's not a sexual assault. It was a boyfriend and girlfriend. She was falling down the rock.
All right, anyone else heading into Horatio Park, disregard. It is not a sexual assault. It's a boyfriend and girlfriend. Girlfriend was sliding down the rock.
15 Whiskey on 19. Butler, sir. Copy.
All right, guys, just want to show you a little activity going over here on Talbot Ave. They'll probably be out here for a little bit while longer, checking the areas, see what they come out with.
Gonna follow that service car back from Talbot Ave to B3.
So it looks like they may have the second person in custody too.
Sir.
So this is the famous Nightingale Street that no one probably knows where it's at. I don't know if you can make that out. No, you probably can't make that out. This is Nightingale Street, right off of Talbot Ave, across from the Boys and Girls Club. All right, guys, I'm gonna hit the body here. If anything else comes up, I get back to you. Right now, that's what we have. We covered one. We covered one moped. One person in custody.
I have a 210.
Right by my